This is the Thor Outlaw. Thank you for catching up with me. I'm gonna go inside the Thor Outlaw by Thor. I did a video previously, and it's gonna be at the end, so stay tuned. Please subscribe and push the like button and comment if anything interesting to you. Here, you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, CS Radio, camera on the mirrors so you can project there. There's a TV here, there's a TV outside. Seat belts on both sides, lights, convection oven plus gas burner, vegan tall bathroom, TV in there too, big size refrigerator like a residential size. That's just a huge slide out all the way back there, and then a slide out for the bed so you can get to the bed. When the slide outs are in, the bed is in the way, but you have an additional door over here. Have another bed up here, my G-Jack bed, and then a sofa, another TV back here. Of course, the playpen there. There's an AC back there, no heat. 2,500 pounds of payload over here. Yeah, control panel, pretty nice and cool. This can turn to a bed. Stairway. It's pretty cool. Secure simple internet anywhere, wine card. And it does have a gas generator, so you can go anywhere, boondock, even at a rest stop. Max FN, you have speakers up there. There's D-rings for load safety, I guess. And carpet, so you can not. So that's better for, I guess, more comfortable than walking on a metal ring. It's a pretty big TV. I got storage up there. Auxiliary for radio. Exhaust vents up and down. That's pretty cool. Magic jack, so that would bring that electronically. Because sliding door. You have a shade that can come down electronically for privacy. This is a nice one. Microwave. There's a table over there.
Pretty nice. I did the Thor Hurricane. It looks like it would be similar to that, but I do like the layout of this a little better. We chose this because of the toy hauler capability of the vehicle. There's another Thor Outlaw, 2 different colors. I'm hoping that I can get an exclusive on this whenever it's available. You can kind of see that they brought the bed down from this side. I'm not sure if you can see from inside, but I can see the fans down quite a bit here compared to the driver's view. And then it has a slide over here, which does kind of slide protected from the top. A lot of storage. There's actually an AC back there for the garage. I'm backing up to look at the other one, the Outlaw, if that has the same AC. This is gonna be a different model. There's no AC. The slide is not as big. Be happy to let you know about this. So this one has, of course, backup camera and lights behind there. Can work at night. I'm pretty sure most of them gonna be like that. That's kind of interesting. There's a little window all the way up there on this vehicle, on this truck, Class A, toy hauler bus by Thor. I like the lighting on this one. It has an awning on the back, so you can actually bring this down and have a deck. And the same way you can load things. There's also another slide, might be the bed slide over here. So 2 slides on this coach here. Another awning that comes out, a door over here, steps, storage underneath. And you have glass up here. This one is the 38 MB. Has the camera so you can see from the back. I'm also check out my other videos. I have inside videos of different Thor, the Thor Hurricane, and there's another one in there. I just don't remember the name, but it does look like this one a bit. And this is the older version. You can kind of see the older style. Oh yeah, V10 Ford engine. Don't know what this one is, but I will put it down on the comment section for this one. But this one looks newer, quite newer than this. If I can read, this is a 2013 Thor Outlaw. Probably pretty good pricing on this because it's the older. Don't know if it has a top bed. I definitely like to get in here, but it is a Sunday. The store is closed. Kind of have to get permission to get inside there. But may not be a possibility for me because it's a pretty far drive. I was hoping that they were open. That's probably a place I need to come work. If they're not open on Sunday, I do like that. Anyways, I'm gonna get the spec on those for you. There's plenty of other videos out there. I'm gonna link it on the description. And you can follow the interior on these. And I also made some interior shot of different Thor Class A truck. But this one is definitely bigger than the ones I did. The other one would have a slide on the side over there. The slide wasn't out at the time of recording. But I'd definitely like to come see this again. If you guys like me to come see this, leave it in the comment section. Let me know. And I'll definitely take a drive. Take me a while to get up here to come see this. It's my bad. I should have come in on Saturday instead, because it would be open and I would be able to get in there. There's another, that's a Class C Outlaw. And gonna get some more information on this one. It looks like it's a little bit lower. See if there's the space that we need on here. Maybe easier to drive. You don't have to worry about some height limit in certain place. This one does have, the Thor has some domestics, 2 domestic up there. It was ducted, I remember. So that should be pretty good. That's the E450 chassis Super Duty. I do like the screen on there better than this. This one is the smaller screen, but it has a bed up here. So it would be pretty cool. Can't see from inside, so really good privacy. It says a 2023 Thor Outlaw. Also, Class C. And the Class A is here. And that one is a 2023 Outlaw here. From what I did online, there's a TV behind there. There's plenty of storage underneath here. They do have gas generators. so you don't have to rely too much on the shore power. And it's pretty cool. This truck, both trucks, would be pretty good for somebody that's traveling, a musician, like that has to carry equipment, large amount of equipment, or anybody like has to carry a large amount of equipment. That would be great. It does have a really nice screen up there. I can see from there. And I'm not gonna use somebody else's video, so I want to put that link on a video for you down there. Well, thank you. Leave a like. I can make a drive here if you guys like to see this. Like to see this vehicle inside and the garage. Kind of want to see it too, but you know, got a request. If there's no request, I shouldn't come and do this. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, this one has AC on the garage also. Pretty cool. Pretty awesome. Bye.